Introducing the ASIO Retro Classic, the next generation in luxury keyboards. This is the Retro Classic Onyx, black with black chrome accent. Black is sophisticated, confident, powerful. Black absorbs all other colors in the spectrum inherently, and yet, it's able to maintain its simplicity, hence elegancy. It evokes strong emotions, represents strength, and illustrates formality and exclusiveness. It's the epitome of fierce. Black is the end, but also a new beginning. Black is infinite. The Retro Classic Onyx achieves multi-layered depth through a combination of curated materials and finish based on this elegantly fierce hue. The ASIO Retro Classic. The past is the future.